keep me wondering, is our love strong, just like a love song? Baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater.
Hi, it's Steph, and today I am heading over to my garden club's greens workshop. We have been doing this for the last couple of years, and all of the members of the garden club will bring what they can to the workshop. So cuttings from their gardens, vessels to decorate, and we make beautiful holiday greens arrangements to sell at our green sale, which is actually happening next weekend. So I have cut some of these really pretty evergreens. I essentially just pruned my shrubs, and I'm gonna pack these into the car, and we're gonna head over to the greens workshop. I've arrived at the workshop and I have picked out a basket. I've lined it with some plastic, and now I need to add some oasis to it so that I can start my arrangement. And it's been soaking in water, which is what you want. That fits perfect. It's supposed to stick up above your vessel so that you can stick all of your greenery into here. So now I'm gonna go pick out some greens and get started. So this is Eastern White Pine, which we have a ton of in our yard, and it's really pretty. It will drape very nicely over the edge of the container. So I'm gonna grab some of this, and this might be some Leland cypress, and there's the golden branches we brought. These add nice color, but I'll start building with these. You need a little bit more of these. You have to cut the branches at a point so that they can stick into your arrangement a bit better.
It's moving in, but it was. I'm trying to get rid of. She goes, I'll take them. She does.
So what I'm doing with my arrangement is I'm trying to give it some length by draping all of this white pine along the edges. I still have to finish this corner. And then the height is going to be with this, I believe this is like a Leland cypress. And then I'm gonna find yet another texture to add in here, and maybe some red winterberry. I think that would look really pretty.
Yeah. I really like it.
Kathy always does a good job. That looks really, really good with the yellow.
Yeah, and this is picking up this purple.
Yes, I brought some of this.
I
It's
love
old
this.
gold
What is it?
juniper.
I
Old
love
gold
it.
juniper. Isn't it so pretty?
I just love it.
And what kind of pods are these?
These are, I don't know, they're on the floor.
They're good though. They're good. And I wonder what plant this is. This almost looks like it could be Nandina maybe. It's pretty. This looks really cute too. I love the colors on it. Very nice.
That came from June.
That matches perfect.
June, who, you know, with the walker.
Yes.
She has beautiful things in her yard.
Oh yeah, she does. We've been there once, right, for a tour in the summer. This looks good too. This is the umbrella pine, right?
And that's
I like that.
whole bay of it out there.
Oh, nice.
Get more.
Get more. I might. I would like to use a little, like 2 or 3 little oranges too, if there's enough.
Yeah.
I have a bunch of green ones.
Oranges gonna stay put.
Yeah, I came home with them.
They have wire on them, and you can kind of hang them like an ornament on the greenery, and I think it'll look really pretty. So I'm going to find a way to put them on here, maybe with some pine cones.
Yeah.
That might look really nice. Kind of give it like a little bit of a natural look, you know? So these are the sticks.
I guess that's not a name you don't find.
These are the sticks that you put the pine cones around. So you take one and you wrap it so that you can put it in your arrangement.
This is my second one.
Sort of like that. And that way,
Is it stable?
it's somewhat stable. I mean, it probably would be better if I had a glue gun, but it'll sit, you know. But you could also use a little bit of floral wire, like this,
Yeah.
and make it a little bit tighter.
That looks so bonsai-ish.
There we go.
All we need is moss to cover this, and you've got a Christmas bonsai tree. It does. It does. Carol, do you have any moss?
Carolyn does have some somewhere.
What is that? Do you have any moss? Because she could have a bonsai.
I'm gonna have to wash my hands. Hopefully there's a sink around here.
That's not gonna work.
Cardinal rule. Take off the bottom before you put it in the oasis.
Then it won't look like a bonsai. I came after the magnolia leaves because Carolyn has a beautiful southern magnolia, and look at this foliage, it's gorgeous. The back starts to turn this brown that almost looks like suede, and this is going to provide a really beautiful contrast in my arrangement. Wow, that looks so good. It matches Ruby's vest. So cute. Ruby. She's like, nope, I'm following my mom. This looks really good. Look how pretty. This one has that Ralph Lauren aesthetic that everyone's after this year, right? With the traditional red, green, gold. Yeah, very pretty. This tree is gorgeous. I don't know where Carolyn gets this, but the Japanese cryptomeria, so pretty. I'm going to use that in my next arrangement, I think. That's what I'm going with. So I'm going to wrap this one up so I can make another one. Such pretty things, right? Look at this one. Has a bit of a metallic look to it. Even that one's beautiful with the dried ball in the center. And this is actually Euringium or sea holly. See that? You can use dried flowers from your garden. Looks really nice. Even this one with the branch and the lichen.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
So unique. The spray painted alliums right there.
Yeah.
Very pretty. Oh, this one is gorgeous. This is the one Denise made.
Yeah.
Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love that. Very nice. There's some more nails up here for you to hang your wreath, Linda.
Okay.
Do you want me to hang it up for you? There we go. Looks good. So today is day one of the workshop, and typically we have the workshop on Saturday afternoon and Sunday afternoon. So whoever can't make it on one day can come on the next. But today is only Saturday, and we're only halfway through the workshop, and you can see how many arrangements are already done. So we will have quite a few by the end of the weekend for our sale next weekend. And it's always a lot of fun hanging out with everyone in the barn and making these arrangements and having a chance to be creative. Candles in the middle. Right? It looks good. It looks so good. Let's see this one, Denise. Turn this way. Look at that.
Where's the other sign?
This is the front of it.
Yeah.
Right there. And it matches your pretty coat. You always have the most colorful and pretty and unique clothes. Very nice. Oh, this is looking good. I love it. I have to get some more pine cones, but I think that's looking really pretty.
Add any yellow?
Not on this one.
Red?
Oranges. I'm gonna put some oranges. Yeah, I'm making it like very natural, you know?
I was just thinking a little pop color.
I need to put some more of this cedar right here. So I'm gonna go cut a little bit more of that. You can see right here we have some adornments for our arrangements. There are some bows, lots of sparkly ornaments, but this is what I'm coming to get. This is yarrow or achillea, and it is the original or traditional yellow variety that you see, and it dries beautifully for arrangements. Look how pretty that is. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this to my arrangement as well. Did this come from your garden, June, this cryptomeria? The Japanese cryptomeria? Because you have I think you have a beauty in your yard in the corner.
Thank you.
Don't you? I'm pretty sure. I saw it when we visited was it last summer or the summer before? Yeah. You have a beautiful yard. Oh, I love this. See how that yellow is looking so pretty? I'm trying to go with like a little bit of a natural vibe. I need to fill this corner out a little bit. But I think that's going to look nice.
One time I found a little bird.
Oh, really?
And he said, live house.
It's looking pretty, I think. I'm gonna add another pine cone. Yeah, I need to find some more of these little juniper blueberries. So I think that will look nice as well. I'm gonna put one more pine cone in the front here.
Let it dry.
I love it. So I think that looks better now, right?
Do we have a lot of it? You know what that looks
The blueberries? Yeah, look, I found one, but it was too little. Linda gave it to me. I'm gonna need a little bit more of these to kind of stick them in here.
Well, you
And I
know
have some
what?
orange slices too I'm gonna use.
Yeah, there might be more out back.
Okay,
See?
I'll go look. Those were the pine cones that I was looking for. See, and these are great decor because you can forage these. Remember we went to the Olive Garden and they had a bunch of them in the parking lot? Yeah, you can
at my daughter's house in their
see that?
backyard.
Yeah, they're so good to forage this time of year. Free decor from nature. Yes, the best. So it looks like this, but there's blueberries on them. I see one over there. Let me go look. See right here? This is what I'm looking for. This is gorgeous. We have to plant some of these in our garden, George. It's junipers that get these really pretty blueberries. I think that would look really pretty with the yellows and oranges I'm doing on my arrangement. Look at this. So this is the southern magnolia that I just used in my arrangement, but this one has the pods on it. Isn't that beautiful?
Is that seed?
It is. It's the seed pods from where the bloom was. So cool, right? George came along today. He offered to come and be my cameraman so that I could actually work on the arrangements and not have to worry about filming, which was really generous and nice of him. So thank you, George, for coming and filming. But these are beautiful, right? Mm-hmm. Oh, right here, look. Juniper berries. Oh, wow. That's a good one. So we're going to take a piece of this in and see if we can put it in our arrangement. So because these little blueberries are pretty short, what I'm doing is attaching one of these sticks to it so that I can put them anywhere like a floral pick, and that works really well. Oh, Carolyn, I think it's looking good, right?
I love your fruit.
I think I'm going to put this one in here somewhere.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's gorgeous.
I think it's pretty. I finally finished my arrangement and I love the way that it turned out. So I went with a more natural theme. So you can see here that I have the dried orange slices and the juniper berries along with this yarrow or achillea, some cedar, the eastern white pine, and the magnolia. And then we added some of these pine cones, if I didn't say that yet, and I think it looks beautiful. So I'm really happy with the way it turned out. More like a natural Christmas. And made a swag, and this is the gray owl juniper and the old gold juniper, and they look so pretty. That blue with the yellow and the cryptomeria, gorgeous. You can hang it on the front door or something. Found this adorable little copper bunt pan, and I'm going to go ahead and make this arrangement as well. So your oasis should always stick above the container again, so you can arrange all the way around and you don't see the mechanics of your arrangement. But I think I do need to cut a little bit off of the top. And a bread knife or old knife works really well for this. Okay, I think that's much better. All right, I'm gonna start with the boxwood. Yeah, if not, we'll fill it with other things. I'm going around the base right now so that if I run out, I can use a different texture, you know? Here's a little update. I added some height with this cryptomeria. I think it's really pretty. The boxwood, I did kind of around the bottom, and now I'm gonna add some color to it. Maybe some yellow. Denise's looks really good too. Look, she used one of those magnolia pods. It looks really pretty with the yellow. Let me pick it up. It looks so good. Denise, beautiful. Look, and it's a bowl.
I'm thinking like,
It looks really good.
kind of weird.
I like it.
Carolyn said it needed maybe a little.
Maybe, and maybe even a sprig of red winterberry to pull the red from the bowl. That might look nice. Where are we putting this? Where do you think it needs it, George? Right in the center? I think that's looking nice, right? It starts to come together.
Before what's in here, there's probably still a few more.
We have at least 4.
Where did you find this boxwood?
What is that called?
Winterberry, fresh winterberry. It's very pretty. Put this one right here. I think that looks really nice. Yeah. I think I just need to add like something to it, like a little something. Like a bow, or I gotta look around.
Jerry's good at that.
What do you
That
think?
would make it different.
What do you think, George?
It's got a little bit of a
The copper color, that kind of,
shine, yeah.
I think that might work.
got a little shine too. The red.
All right, I'm terrible at bows.
Well, I'll tell you
I
what.
showed you how to make bows last time.
Yeah, you think I remember that?
Give me a
Gonna whip me up a bow?
yeah,
Use the red
Okay,
side.
something that would fit on this. Yeah, the red side would look nice.
well, you can do both.
That could work too.
That's not
So which
bad.
one? Which one do you think will pop
The
more?
blue bothers me.
So should we do it with the red showing?
Yes, but still, the blue is still gonna show.
Yeah.
But you don't think that color looks nice? Because it has a coppery look to match the vessel, which you won't really see, but which color do you think? You like that one? All right, then let's do that. Let's do that.
Definitely.
Do you think I need another little pick in here of some kind? Let's see if I can find some more fruit.
Over here. If you had some anymore.
It's okay, I found another apple right here.
Okay.
I'll put the apple with the pomegranates. I think that'll look cute, right?
I don't like this with that.
No.
No, listen, I kind of like the other one we had better. Let's fiddle through here and see what we can find.
Gold? Gold would be okay.
That might work.
Yeah.
This one has a bow, it has a bell on it. What do you think of this?
I like that one. because
Yeah, I like it.
it's the red.
I think that one works.
Bow and it's got a bell.
And you don't have to make me another one.
Make another one. Yay!
There we go. Well, I think it turned out really cute. So it turns out it's not a bundt cake pan after all. It's a Jell-O mold. And Peg told me what it was, and it used to be hers, and it looks really sweet, I think. I ended up finding some of these faux pomegranates and a little apple and then a bow. And with the winterberry, I think it looks kind of like a little bit Victorian. I think it looks really sweet. I'm really happy with it. So we're wrapping up day one of our greens workshop, and you can see we made some really beautiful things today. This one was made by Marianne, and it also has some fruit and a plaid bow and some of that dried yarrow. It looks gorgeous. So we did really good progress today. If you are local to the southeastern Massachusetts area, the sale will be on the 13th of December at the Macomber House, which is on Main Road in Westport, Massachusetts. So tomorrow on day two of the workshop, they're going to work on creating some swags and some greens bundles that people can buy to make their own arrangements if they prefer. But some really pretty things. If you're local, come down to our sale. Oh, another really pretty one. Look at this, peacock feathers and a gold bowl.
And this is the only second one she ever did.
Oh, wow.
So
It looks really
I told her,
good.
You get better every time you do one. You get better and better.
Isn't that true? I had a really fun afternoon with everyone today, and we made some really beautiful arrangements. I hope that you enjoyed some of the banter and conversations that were going on in the background and feeling like you were here, being part of our garden club today. So thank you so much for spending your time with us, and I'll catch you in the next one.